In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively open a project or folder and navigate using the list view option. This simple yet essential skill can greatly boost your productivity and help you manage your files more efficiently. Let's get started. First, we're going to focus on opening your project or folder. This is the fundamental step, the launch pad for your entire workflow. Depending on your operating system, the method for opening a folder might differ slightly. If you're using a Windows computer, you'll want to find your File Explorer. You can open it by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or pressing the Windows key and E simultaneously. For Mac users, you'll open Finder, which can be accessed by clicking the smiling blue and white face icon in your dock. Once you've opened Finder or File Explorer, you'll navigate to the location of your desired folder or project file. It could be stored in your documents, on your desktop, or even within another folder. Simply double-click on the folder or file to open it, or right-click and choose Open from the drop-down menu. Now that you have your project or folder open, let's shift our focus to customizing your view for optimal navigation. We'll do this by selecting the list view from your view options. On Windows, once you have your folder open, look at the top of the File Explorer window for a tab labeled View. Click on that and you'll see different layout options. Choose Details or List depending on your Windows version to switch to List View. You'll find that this view displays your files and folders in a vertical list, allowing you to see more information such as the date modified, type, and size, which can aid in efficient file management. For those on a Mac, once your Finder is open, your next task is to locate the View option in the top menu bar. Once you click on View, you'll have different viewing options listed in a drop-down menu. From there, select As List to switch your folder into List View. This view arranges your files in a vertical format, making it easier to sort and find what you're looking for. You can customize what columns appear, such as the date modified, kind, or tags, by right-clicking on the column headers. This allows you to tailor the displayed information to suit your workflow needs, providing quick access to the most relevant data. By following these steps, you've now equipped yourself with a practical approach to opening and navigating your projects using the List View option. This small adjustment doesn't just streamline your file management, but also maximizes your ability to locate and organize your files swiftly. Remember, efficiency with your tools can transform how you work, saving time and effort in the long run. Thank you for watching and enjoy the newfound ease in managing your projects.